Hello friends, good morning. Myself Nilesh Subhachan Jain, lecturer at DCS Institute of Pharmacy, Devpur, Dhude. Today we are going to conduct the practicals from the subject Diploma Pharmaceutics Second from the Diploma course in Pharmacy second year. Before that, we see the introduction of this experiment. In that, monophasic liquid dosage form, which is meant for external use, in that liquids to be instilled into the body cavities. So first preparation, that is a nasal drop. So nasal drop are the solution of drug that are instilled into the nose with the dropper. They are generally aqueous because oily drop inhibits the movement of cilia in the nasal mucosa, and if we are used for long period of time, it may reach the lungs and causes damages. The recommended containers for nasal drop, that is color fluted bottle with dropper or in a plastic container. The direction for nasal drop, that is for external use only. Now the prescription. Now the experiment number 25. The title of this experiment, that is to prepare and submit nasal drop. The prior concept of this experiment, that is monophasic liquid dosage form, which is meant for external use. The new concept, that is formulation and method of preparation of nasal drop. The learning objectives of this experiment, that is intellectual skill in that to understand the purpose of nasal drop and its method of preparation. The motor skill, that is ability to prepare nasal drop and label it correctly. Apparatus which are required for this experiment, that is beaker, glass rod, funnel, measuring cylinder, cotton wool, filter paper, etc. Now the prescription of this experiment, that is ephedrine hydrochloride 0.5 gram, chlorbutal 0.5 gram, sodium chloride 0.5 gram, purified water quantity sufficient up to 100 ml, fiat naristili mitte ounce SS, that is 15 ml. Now the factor. So quantity required, which is the 15 ml, quantity given, that is prescription is of 100 ml, so factor will be 0.15, that is 15 upon 100, we got the factor, that is 0.15. Now that 0.15 when multiply with 0.5 gram, 0.5 gram, 0.5 gram and 100 ml, we got the quantity taken in a metric system. So now the observation table. In observation table there are 5 columns. First one, that is a type. Second, that is translation, that is Latin to English. Then quantity given in empirical system, quantity given in metric system, and last one, that is quantity taken in a metric system. So ephedrine hydrochloride, which is used as nasal decongestant, quantity given in metric system, that is 0.5 gram, which is used in 100 ml of preparation. For 15 ml of preparation, that ephedrine hydrochloride required will be 0.075. Then chlorbutal, which is used as a preservative, which is used in 100 ml of preparation, 0.5 gram, and for 15 ml of preparation it will require 0.075 gram. Then sodium chloride, which is used as a tonicity adjuster as well as it is used as a cleansing agent. Then in 100 ml of preparation, that sodium chloride will require 0.5 gram, and in 15 ml of preparation it will require 0.075 gram. Then water, which is used as a vehicle, in 100 ml of preparation it will use up to 100 ml of volume, and in 15 ml of preparation it will use up to 15 ml of that volume. Then label of this experiment, in that nasal drop 15 ml for, that is name of patient. Then register number, that is number in the register. Dispensed by, that is name of pharmacist. Then date, that is date of manufacturing. Storage condition of this nasal drop, that is store in cool and dark place. Additional direction which is required, that is shake well before use. Special direction, that is for external use only. Direction for use, that is to be used as directed by physician and manufactured at, that is DCS Institute of Pharmacy, Devpur, Dhude. Now we will start the procedure of this experiment.
Start with the procedure. In the procedure of nasal drop, all the ingredients, that is chlorbutal, ephedrine hydrochloride and sodium chloride, are dissolved in warm water. We dissolve all that ingredient one by one. Then filter that solution of nasal drop through filter paper. Then take that preparation and transfer into the measure for measuring purpose, and make the volume by using purified water which is warm. Transfer that solution into the container by using syringe and needle. In laboratory purpose, we transfer that solution through syringe and needle. Cork the container properly, attach the label and submit the preparation. Thank you.